Hey everybody, what is going on? Welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you guys are all doing well, and in this tutorial video I'll be showing you a sort of way in which you can extend your playback or your beat or your sound, whatever you want, in Bandlab. Bandlab is a free online site on which you can modify any sound you would like, or just create new audio in the form of either recording your voice or recording online MIDI instruments and just creating a melody of your choice. You have a lot of options and a lot of tools which you can use with that, such as a metronome, other recording software. You have pitch shifting, of course, through the editor, editing your audio. You have the auto pitch, which is sort of a auto tune, I guess you could say, even though it's a bit not good, at least how I used it. I don't know how to use it well, but yeah, that's it in general. And of course, as you can see, I do have some audio which is here. These are just two tracks from the same piece of royalty-free music. This is the entire piece almost. Well, I compressed it though. As you can see, this is what it looks like in full, and this is a snippet from that track. Now what I did is I just added or copy pasted it at the end. I just took it out from this track somewhere from here in the middle. I just copy pasted it and added it to the end. Now you can do that freely if you would like to extend your beat that way. It is a valid option. However, what I'll show you else is you can also just add any of your files straight here and you can copy it at the end, and that's the way that you can extend it further. Pretty much just copy and paste it to the end and it will be extended if you want it extended like that. And that's pretty much all I know how to do. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.